a Mercedes C300 front brake pads. Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you how to replace the front brake pads. Just the brake pads only is Mercedes GLC 300 2019. It's very easy. Okay, let's do it together. Here the front brake pad I do on the left side. I show up here to show you guys how to do on the left side. And the right side I have the sensor, so I really did on the right side, but I'm going to do one video only with the left side only. Here the part number. They want to make from Italy because I don't want to buy the cheap one, right? The part number over here. The company name is called LPR. They is a very good company. Okay, LPR brake pads. They make from Italy. Okay, 2019 Mercedes GLC 300. Okay, front brake pads only, no roller, just a brake pad. It's very easy. Here the brake pad over here. I'm going to change the shim from original better. So you need a needle nose to remove the clip over here. It's very easy. You don't need to remove the bracket. Okay. Take this one out, move up. Okay, that's it. Take it out. A little pin over here. This one is stainless steel, they don't rusty. So the Mercedes, they make this one a very, very good quality. Cut your band a little bit out like this. So use the vice strip to hold the pin out. That's it. I have to clean them up there later on. So before we take the parts out, I'll show you how to remove, and later on we don't need to push the caliper back. Okay, so now we put the caliper back for now. Use the flat screwdriver. Okay, just bend over like this and go down a little. Okay, use another screwdriver. Bend one side first. Okay, push the piston back because they want a 4 piston. Okay. Now we put this one for now like that, and then push another side inside. Okay, make it move roll a little bit. Okay, so push one screwdriver inside, one outside. Put it. Move. Okay. Okay. Make sure everything perfect. Go back perfect. Okay, so now to move back perfect. So now you need to know, take it out. Okay. See the pads, they have the arrow. This will go in the front. The mechanical wire, the downstairs, the bottom one. Okay. Same. See the arrow? You go in the front. Mechanical wire, bottom. So okay, we got a new one. Throw it away. So now let's see over here. Make sure easy. should go easy. Now what I have to do, clean about the pin first. Two pin, wire brush. Okay, done. So let the part over here. Okay, be careful. Put the one try first. Make sure they going through. Okay, the bottom going through. Right, so take it out again. Okay, put like this. Put like this. Okay, this the one we put on right now. This clip holder. So this one the hook inside. To hook inside. So put this one in first, one side going first, okay, and the top one on. So this one go over here. Okay, put the finger on, hold it. Put the one on, now, that's it, done. So now put clip on. See the hook like this, go like over here. So now we'll put this one on. Hard to find out the hole. Okay. Okay, go. See the hook? Go up. Go over here first. Now I'm gonna move this one in the right situation. Back up a little bit. Gonna move a little bit. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's it. That's it. Make sure anything to flip go in. And done. So give me thumb up. Okay, so done. Okay, I really show you how to replace the front brake brake pad for the 2019 Mercedes GLC 300. Very easy. You can do by yourself. Order the part. Okay, thank you very much for your watching my video. If you like my video, please give me the thumb up and then subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video. Ciao.